Everybody, welcome back. Here we've got a cool XK AS350 K123 helicopter. This is a 3-rotor system, brushless motors. It does 3D actually. Has all the gyros, 6G. And here's some of the specs for you. Comes with a cool little radio. Yeah. So this should be pretty fun. Everybody likes a scale helicopter, right? So, get these out of here. Let's start with the parts kit, see what you get for some spare parts. So here we have the blades. You can see we've got 2, 4, 6, so we've got one spare set of those in there, spare gear, some tools, and a tail rotor blade. Here's your battery charger and your battery. What do we got here? 500 milliamp, 3.7 volt LiPo. I'll grab the radio. Very well packaged. We got the gimbals and the antennas pretty well covered here. I feel really nice. I'm a pincher when I fly. Good looking radio. This will take 6 AA batteries. Very cool. Oh, look at that. That is really cool. Very well packaged in the plastic there. Very nice. Obviously you have to put the main rotor blades on. But look at the detail. It's got little handles, little skids, windshield wipers on there. Very nice. And this is where everything goes. Here's a battery in there, so it comes with 2 batteries. Awesome. It's a neat little helicopter. If I can get it back on there. It's held on with magnets. Okay, got the cover back on. It's a little tricky. You gotta get everything in there just right, but I'll figure out a method and go for it. So, anyways, there you go. An awesome little scale brushless helicopter. So we'll get it charged up and then we'll head out to the field and show you how it flies.
Yeah, wind's kicking up.
Just because I don't know when the battery's going to be done. Now we'll try a couple of tricks.
Thing is like an angry dragonfly.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a forward flip. Those are way better than the rollers. Feel like you're getting pretty good?
Yeah.
Good deal. We'll try some inverted.
Try that one again.
I'll stand out in front of you a little further. I know that one got a little sketchy on me too. It gets off kilter when I do that. Battery's getting a little full, so I'm going to do one more and then we'll land.
Okay.
Sweet. Alright guys, my final thoughts on the scale heli here. I'm pretty happy with how it flies. You know, multi-rotor, flybarless, does fly a little different. It has this unique kind of feel to it, and this one kind of has that, but it's not bad. It's just a little different feel you got to get used to. My only complaint about this helicopter, only two complaints. One is runtime, which is probably why it comes with 2 batteries. Is it just like 3-4 minutes tops flights, and the other complaint is just getting this little canopy back on is really hard, and I'm not sure what the problem is exactly yet, but the sun and moon just got to line up just right. And it goes on there, but there's just a little trick to it, so you got to fiddle with it a little bit sometimes. So other than that, they're durable and really cool looking. So always wanted a little scale helicopter, and this kind of fits the bill. Plus it's tiny, so I can fly it indoors, so you gotta like that. So hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe.